Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
The first serious crime report by the Jamaica Constabulary Force for 2024 shows that 33 murders were committed as at January the 13th, which is on par with the corresponding period in 2023. At the same time last year, the country had also recorded 33 murders. 13 of the 19 police divisions in Jamaica have had one or more murders since the start of 2024. I would go with this number, I said 33. Me sure no say it was about 100 or over 100. You come like when I calculate the thing right. I was really going about 100 murder happened already. Not no 33. I want uno numbers wrong. I'm sorry. Uno numbers is so wrong. It's about 100. Because uno not check, I tell you so when it come to numbers, uno no good for maths. So let me check for uno. About 100 people or 102 dead. So I don't know where to get that the number they from. The public is being advised that a section of Spur Tree Hill is currently impassable due to an oil spill and a 5-vehicle collision. As a result, motorists and pedestrians are urged to use alternative routes and to observe and follow all road signs where possible. Wanna hear that? So everybody will go through Spur Tree Hill, oil spill. So I don't know where now go. 5-vehicle collision right there, so right off this so black right now. I understand. Clean up the place and I try to sort out everything. So I just make you know what is going on. Alright. This has been put out by the Jamaica Constabulary Force. But I can hear more on this.
Blocked off the road, and so the road is now impassable. We're asking motorists to use alternate routes and to expect significant delays until the fire people would have cleaned this roadway as well as would have cleared the roadway. As it is now, there's one member who is now trapped in a vehicle and is now being rescued by the personnel on the scene from the fire department and the police.
Okay, my viewers and subscribers. So, I want see what go on. Go up on a different route right now because the road just block off. As you can see, they might try to clean up the place and one bag or something. People's National Party representative Zulika just says Prime Minister Andrew Holness should tell National Housing Trust contributors whether they will get any of the 200 houses for which $650 million was advanced to develop a Dexim Holdings. Jess, the caretaker for St. Elizabeth Northeast, made the call on Sunday while addressing supporters at a party meeting in Westmoreland for the presentation of candidates for local and general election. When I hear them suck me, I know my viewers and subscribers. Zulika, she is asking Andrew Holness, where are the 200 NHT houses? Talk up things then, because we all know Andrew Holness, we know say I'm a big top scammer. Everybody know that. Say I'm a scammer. See it there? If he wasn't a scammer, how comes he and declaring asset? Listen, big top scammer that day. Wanna hear what me say? Andrew Holness. That's all in good. Every minute you hear him come out, we get, we collect how much money and we're going to spend it on this. And only thing this man build are some apartment for rich people. Yeah, where him sell at a very high price. That's a number one. Number two, Ampere Highway, where Jamaican people they not benefit from. Everywhere you turn, you have to pay if you go through that the highway there. Nonsense. How you feel pay if you drive on your own road? Eh? I don't understand. So I do not blame Zulika, Jess. I do not blame her one bit. She is doing the right thing. Call them out one by one because the all of them are scammer. Andrew Wellness are the ringleader, top scammer that you know, Andrew Wellness. A top scammer. And so me not wrong her. Ask him because we want to know and more things he might keep up all the foolishness in the party. So the people they need to know. All them something are not transparent, you know, my viewers and subscribers. Andrew Wellness say. All of them something Andrew Wellness need to be held accountable for, you know. All of them something, you know. This a man if you got jail, you know, for them something, you know. Where are the 200 NHT houses? Jess is asking the Prime Minister. Of course, I'm supposed to ask the Prime Minister because we all know that that's $650 million. And who it got to? And who it out of that there? And who get all heap of money out of that there? And your ownless, we know your little trick. You need to stop it. You need to stop it. I don't know how comes your followers. I don't know how comes your followers. They can't see all now. I must pay them, I get paid. I mean, no, so you not give them, no, you not give them, the little pay, you give them a little food and a little lunch money. Really? And then go on like they don't know what you do. So you don't care about the Jamaican people. Every minute he say I collect how much money and he collect how much money and I do houses and he might build up apartments and he's building road. Which road you build? The only road you build a highway, that's it. And that not have nothing to do with we. You understand me? So, like, what is really happening? We want to know. We want to know who a benefit from that the 200 houses. Who? Because I'm sure no say the people that live in a rural area. So who a benefit? Listen, yeah, man, my viewers and subscribers, sometimes, you know, when Andrew Honest come out to the foolishness, you know, that's why I have to done him more time, you know. Yeah, man, I have to look out against him because he's not doing the right thing. He might pretend like he's doing the right thing, but actually he is not. But you tell me what you think about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Anyway, hear this. The opposition People's National Party is lamenting the lack of investment in infrastructural developments in Westmoreland. This was a major talking point at a meeting in the parish last night where the candidates for the local and general elections were announced. And me like how Dayton Campbell deal with Andrew Honest. Yeah, man, I call him out, yeah, man, and I put him in a place and I make the people them know what definitely Andrew Honest a keep up because I don't want a good boy. Andrew is not a good boy. I'm going to take in the video clip here.
I do not want a government that only focus on highway, but I want a government to fix road going to them yard. The people have said that water is life and they want water in the pipes in Eastern Westmoreland. We have so many young people who want to get employment, but because they get the work way over niggle, they must fear and make them can take up the opportunities. Time come now for more hotel development in Eastern Westmoreland.
Yes, Dayton Campbell talk up things there because Andrew Honest thinks that we not have sense around here. The whole of the road them in the rural area need fix. Even other day I see some people in our Westmoreland come out and they did a protest. Them a demonstrate because the way the road look, them not like it. The road them come like a riverbed. Come like a riverbed, you know, my viewers and subscribers. Other day I did show it. So I agree with Dayton Campbell. Not only highway alone, the people them want. The people they want them road for fix in the rural areas. Remember say you have taxi. Remember say you have taxi drivers, you know, run from one point to a next point, you know. So the road need for fix. You understand? Because the taxi man car them a mash up too. And them a fear a mechanic every time and I fix them car. Wanna get me? So, you know, me like the way how Dayton Campbell deal with this. Yeah, man, if you blaze the fire more while man for Andrew Honest because he is not doing the right thing.
They give to the big companies. They say this to boost production and employment. And when we give to the poorer people, they send it handout. When time come now for that single mother to be able to raise chicken and send her kid to go to school to get proper education, because education is a vaccine against poverty.
Yes, Dayton Campbell. Good speech you make and good point you have. Good point you make, sir. Right there, so. Keep on licking out against Andrew Holness, because everything what you say is true. Every single thing what you say, Jenna, it is true. Westmoreland people then deserve better. Westmoreland, listen, when the people them want to see the beautiful beaches and have fun and niggle everybody go, the place need to run better and run under order. Tell me what you think, yeah, my viewers and subscribers. Before you go into the comment section and just Lego in there, hear more.
The people of Westmoreland now have representing them in Garden House is undeserving of this great parish. I haven't heard any of them say a word in the parliament. I don't know what them sound like when them talk.
Mark Walden, how you mean? Me I feel laugh at that, you know, easy, you know. Yes, man. You know what? Them too confident because them knows they all of them are scammer. You see, when them scam now, that boosts them confidence. Yes, man, because they always going like them know everything. Them going like everything what them a do is the right thing them a do. But what everybody else a do is not the right thing. You understand? And them say they're there for the people. But really and truly, there is not there for known people. You do not make Andrew Holness fool, you know. My viewers and subscribers, do not make Andrew Holness fool. Oh no. You understand me? Do not let Andrew Holness fool. Oh no. Because Andrew Holness are tricksters, a genial. You understand? That's all in good fun, like to dictate to people. And that's what they do. You understand? When they in a parliament, that them do, even to the opposition side. They just dictate, and don't want to take no chat. And when opposition then get up and attack, they will make it, you have Juliet Holness a bully down the opposition side, like them not say nothing. You understand me? What you tell me what you think about this, my viewers and subscribers? Put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.